So it's become quite a popular talking point around understanding the trends in transport and logistics. One of the big growth areas that we've started to see is the monitoring of your traditionally non-powered assets. So things like your trailers, your containers, and understanding what products and technologies are available to monitor those assets. There are a whole range of different systems out there, and I think the importance is understanding the product and the best fit for your application. I'm holding two options here. The left hand is the Telstra Cat M1 solar solution, and in the right here, this is an alternative hardware device that's on the market. And there's often a lot of confusion within fleets when trying to understand, which is the best fit for their application. So there's a couple of things that you need to look for when you're starting to consider the best product and the best hardware for your use case. Understanding things like the actual size of the device, because size is important when it comes to utilizing a battery power to power the actual monitoring of that asset. It's also understanding the size of the solar panel itself and then making the best decision that works for your business. Installation locations for an asset of this size, particularly on a larger item, is very easy. We can mount these onto landing legs, toolboxes, onto the actual trailer itself. So thank you. Meet our team and let us take you on a journey and explore how we can help you in your business.